This is Anytown, USA. Let's see which Kupferle Water Solutions technology and other products Anytown Water Utilities is utilizing to monitor, improve, and maintain water quality for its customers. It looks like the Anytown Water Company lab staff is out collecting bacteriological samples from one of Kupferle's Eclipse 88SS sampling stations. These stations are specifically designed for water sampling, with caps on all non-threaded outlets and no drain hole in order to keep the waterway clean for good sample collecting. After taking the sample, collectors would employ Kupferle's electric evacuation pump or manual pump to evacuate any water in the standing pipe to keep the waterway clean and the station from freezing in the wintertime. The advantages of dedicated sampling stations are that the utility controls the tap, allowing no one outside the utility access. The utility also controls the site, so they can take samples when needed, 24/7, 365 days a year. And finally, the utility collects a water sample directly from the water main, not through a home or business's plumbing. Kupferle manufactures 13 separate models of above and below grade sampling stations for both warm and cold climates, all of which can be repaired and maintained from above ground with no digging involved. Another Anytown Water Company crew member is out flushing fire hydrants utilizing Kupferle's Eclipse I-Series 9750i or Flushing Buddy that monitors the chlorine, temperature, and pressure and alerts the crew when flushing goals are attained. The crew leader enters the hydrant designation indicator, then the chlorine target goal wanting to be reached during the flush, and finally presses the run button. The crew then opens the hydrant while the Flushing Buddy monitors the flush from the opposite nozzle. When goals are reached, the Flushing Buddy notifies the crew that it is time to turn off the hydrant. All flushing data is captured and can be retrieved and inputted into a GIS program or downloaded into a pre-formatted spreadsheet templates that Kupferle provides. Additional sensors can be added for turbidity, pH, etc. The Flushing Buddy makes hydrant flushing more efficient and effective for Anytown Water Company to improve and maintain water quality for their customers. Across town, the Anytown Water Company is utilizing Kupferle's Eclipse 9700i solar unit to monitor, improve, and maintain water quality. The Eclipse 9700i solar is a portable monitoring and flushing station that attaches to an existing fire hydrant. As a portable analytical tool, it can be moved from hydrant to hydrant around the distribution system to monitor chlorine and flush when programmed residual targets are below the desired levels, to improve water quality while capturing and transmitting important water quality data. Utilities then can act on the data provided by possibly installing an automatic flushing station or booster station if residuals are consistently low in certain areas. The Eclipse 9700i solar can house up to 8 separate sensors and comes with an RV50 wireless gateway and a built-in 3-year data plan. In another section of the Anytown Water Company's distribution system, they have installed one of Kupferle's Eclipse 9800i Genesis permanent stations that continuously monitors, improves, and maintains water quality in a strategic location. The unique aspect of the Genesis is that it creates its own power by utilizing a built-in water turbine and deep cycle battery bank. This allows the Genesis to be placed wherever it is needed, since it does not rely on 120 line or solar power, but powers itself right off the water main. It comes complete with a high-efficiency fan heater and R9 insulation, and maintains a parameter of programmed chlorine residuals while collecting and transmitting valuable water quality data. Like the other Eclipse I-Series products, it can house up to 8 separate sensors and comes standard with a 3-year data plan and engineering visit to commission the unit and train the staff. Besides using intelligent stations, Anytown Water Company also utilizes permanent and portable automatic flushing stations on distribution dead-end mains. These stations make it easy to ensure safe chlorine residuals while also removing disinfection byproducts due to aging water issues. Operated by a handheld or Bluetooth controller, whereby the operator schedules a day, time, duration flushing schedule. These units are powered by 9-volt batteries. Kupferle manufactures several portable and permanent above and below grade automatic flushing stations for both warm and cold climates. Across town at the Anytown Wastewater Treatment Plant, workers are utilizing Kupferle's MainGuard 7500M monitor washdown hydrants for cleaning their retention basin. The 7500M is a 4-inch hydrant with an attachable quick disconnect monitor cannon that can be moved to hydrants on each corner of the basin. It makes what was a 2 to 3 day job of dragging hoses around and into the basin into a 2 to 3 hour job without workers risking injuries by staying at grade level and not slipping and falling on the basin slopes. Kupferle manufactures a full line of 3/4, 2-inch, and 4-inch washdown hydrants for any plant cleanup job, large or small. Any town water company knows that monitoring pressure is very important when maintaining a distribution system. High and low pressure spikes can cause havoc to distribution assets and affect water quality. That's why they deploy Kupferle's portable pressure sensor stations that attach to existing fire hydrants. These portable stations can easily move around the distribution system to monitor and transmit pressure readings to a central location. They operate on a lithium-ion battery that is recharged using a solar panel, so that any town water company can get frequent pressure readings over periods of time instead of just 1 or 2 readings per day with other pressure devices. Kupferle also offers permanent stations that tap to the main that can be installed in key pressure monitoring areas. In the adjacent rural water district that any town water company provides water to, they have specified Kupferle's Eclipse No. 2 post hydrants on their dead-end mains and waterline distribution system. Many rural water areas have smaller water lines from 2 to 4 inch and need a working hydrant for flushing needs. The 2-inch Eclipse No. 2 is a perfect solution for smaller water lines, offering a selection of multiple inlets from a 2-inch FIP to a 4-inch MJ, as well as numerous choices for outlets, flange base, and other options. Easy to install and maintain from above ground, the Eclipse No. 2 is the perfect choice for durability and longevity.